PS IMAGO Designer is an application that allows the creation of analytical reports in the form of dashboards or traditional written reports. Working with PS IMAGO Designer begins when the user has pre-prepared tables and charts in PS IMAGO Pro. Upon launching the application, we see a start window displaying the reports we recently worked on. We can open a report from the list, from a file, or create a report from scratch. Our goal is to prepare a report presenting the results of a quality of life survey of city residents. In the following presentations, we will prepare and format the report to ultimately publish it on the website. To start working, click New. In the first step, we need to provide a project name, which will be visible as the title in the newly created reports. Enter Quality of Life in the City. On the right side, we can decide in which mode we want to create the report. By default, it is created in dashboard mode, but it is worth remembering that the report can also be prepared in document mode as a detailed report, which we can then save to Word or PDF. Another very important decision is to specify the resolution in which the report will be displayed. It is important to avoid scaling charts or tables, which would result in lower quality. We should also avoid preparing the report in a low resolution, if it will be later displayed in Full HD. For this presentation, I will choose resolution 1366 by 768 pixels. In the next step, we can choose one of the available styles, which will define the report's color scheme. Moreover, if we already have backgrounds from previous work, we can indicate them at this stage. I will leave the default settings and proceed by clicking OK. The main window of the program appeared, and we are ready to create the report. The application window is divided into several areas. A menu with tabs, which differs depending on the mode in which we create the report, an object panel, a page panel, a properties, tools panel, and the workspace occupying the largest area. Let's add the result objects that we will use to prepare the report. Go to the Items menu. To start building the report, we can load objects using the dedicated PSID format or the standard SPSS report format SPV. However, this option requires SPSS to be installed, and not every report creator needs to have a data analysis tool. Lastly, we have the option to load any graphic objects. I will point to the PSID file named City Satisfaction. To get a PSID file, simply select the Export to PS IMAGO Designer option from the Predictive Solutions menu in PS IMAGO Pro and indicate the location for the newly created file. As a result of the procedure, all result objects, such as tables and charts, will be exported and saved in the PSID file. We can now start placing pages in the report. To add the first page, go to the Dashboard tab and click the Add icon. A window appears where we can choose how to display objects on the page. By default, 5 predefined layouts are available. We can display from 1 to 6 objects on the page. Additionally, by going through the various tabs, we can add pages with headers, footers, or both. Go to the second tab, where the header will be displayed, choose a page with 2 objects, and click OK. The first page of the report appeared, and we can start moving objects to their proper places. This topic will be covered in the next presentation. Go to the Project tab and save the report by clicking the diskette icon and name it City Satisfaction. We will use it in the next presentation. We have seen how to start working with PS IMAGO Designer, using the default settings, display styles, and the number of objects on the page. Of course, each of these elements can be customized to meet individual needs.